All right, so just make sure you have your key fob. What you're gonna do, just press the brake and turn on your car. After that, you wanna set your seat. I'm gonna show you. So on the side of your seat, you have 3 knobs. The first one will make your seat go forward and back. The second one will make your back go forward and back, so you can see. And the third one is for your lower back, for your lumbar support. It just increases your lumbar support. I don't know if you can barely see it. Alright. For the steering wheel, you have this knob right here. Same concept. Forward, back, down, and up. So after you're done fixing the seat and the steering wheel, you're gonna hit set. The light should come on, and I hit number 1. After you hit number 1, you're gonna hit unlock. And that should do it. Alright, after you hit unlock, it should be set. Just turn off your car, just to do a quick test. And I'm gonna move my seat to the back just to see if it really works. Turn on your car, and then I was programming number 1, so I'm just gonna hit number 1, and the seat moved forward to the whatever setting I say.